Welcome back to Dilly's Learning Adventures.
Today we're doing 3 super fun science experiments you can try at home.
They're easy, safe, and totally awesome. Let's jump right in.
Experiment of 1. Make a rainbow with a glass of water.
Okay, experiment number 1, making a rainbow indoors.
A rainbow inside the house? That sounds like magic.
It's actually science. Watch this. Step 1, shine your flashlight through the glass of water.
Step 2, hold the paper behind it.
Wow!
Look at all those colors. Red, orange, yellow.
This happens because water bends the light and splits it into colors. It's called refraction.
Refraction is my new favorite word.
Oh, really? Why is that?
It's just so fun to say.
Experiment 2. Floating versus sinking.
Okay, now it's time for the floating and sinking challenge.
I'm ready! We've got a spoon, a leaf, a coin, a bottle cap, and a rock. Let's guess what floats and what sinks.
The rock sinks for sure. Let's test it.
Okay.
Goodbye, rock.
Now try the bottle cap. It floats, even though it's bigger than the coin. Let's try the leaf. It floats. Let's find out if the spoon floats or sinks.
Oh no, it sank straight to the bottom.
Okay, time to test the coin.
Whoa, the coin sank too.
That's because floating depends on density, not size.
So lighter things float, heavier things sink?
Exactly, but it's really about how dense they are compared to water. Experiment 3, mixing colors. Time for some color magic!
I'm basically a scientist now.
Let's mix red and yellow first.
Orange! Nailed it!
Now blue and yellow. Green! This is like making potions. Last one, red and blue. Purple! My favorite color! Mixing colors helps us understand how artists create new shades. Today we made rainbows, tested floating and sinking, and mixed colors. Science is everywhere, and it's super fun to explore. If you liked these experiments, don't forget to like and subscribe. Drop a comment and share your favorite experiment from today's video. See you next time on Dilly's Learning Adventures. Bye-bye!